Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're checking out the HP DesignJet T650, a 36-inch large format plotter printer that's built for one thing, delivering fast, professional-grade prints for technical line drawings, CAD renders, posters, and maps. And it does that impressively well for what it is, a full-size plotter. This thing is actually pretty sleek. HP even calls it the world's smallest large format printer in its class. But don't let the size fool you. The T650 is loaded. You get a high-res LCD touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, auto horizontal cutter, and yes, full smartphone control via the HP Smart app. So even though it looks like a minimal studio printer, it's seriously capable. Let's talk performance. This thing is fast. It can print A1 size pages in as little as 25 seconds and churns out up to 82 A1 prints an hour. If you're in an industry where you're constantly printing blueprints, posters, or site maps, speed matters. And this plotter knows it. It gets the job done. Without holding you up, the software is another strong point. The included HP Click software is streamlined for poster creation and batch printing. Just drag, drop, and print. It's got built-in error checking, auto nesting to save paper, and predefined settings that save time and resources. And if you're not near your workstation, no problem. The HP Smart app lets you submit and manage jobs from your phone or tablet. It's genuinely convenient. It handles multiple media types too. Everything from 36-inch rolls to 13 by 19 sheets, and it switches between them automatically. That means no manual swaps when you're juggling different formats. It also features a media bin, protected roll cover, and 1 GB of onboard memory to keep those large design files flowing smoothly. But the real highlight here is the print quality. With HP Bright Office inks, you're looking at up to 31% more line accuracy and 65% more color gamut, which makes a big difference for professionals working with highly detailed drawings or colorful GIS maps. The results are sharp, vibrant, and consistently clean. Another thing I like is HP's focus on sustainability. The T650 is made with 30% recycled plastic, and by design, it helps reduce CO2 emissions by up to 7.3 tons per year. It also uses 95% less ink during routine maintenance compared to some competitors. So it's more than just high-performing. It's efficient and environmentally conscious. And finally, you're covered with a 2-year on-site warranty, complete with next business day's service, HP certified techs, and genuine parts. That's a big deal when you're running critical projects and can't afford downtime. So here's the verdict. The HP DesignJet T650 isn't for casual home use, but for professionals who need reliable, large format printing with speed, accuracy, and remote accessibility. This might just be your new favorite tool. It's fast, smart, precise, and built to keep up with modern workflows. HP really nailed the balance between power, usability, and sustainability here. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you found this useful. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.